What is lead generation? Lead generation helps attract strangers towards your service or product and turn potential customers into actual ones. While it might sound like a magic potion that solves all problems, you will have to know the basics to make it work. Here are the fundamentals we think you should know about lead generation, especially if you are a small business owner. Lead generation, you might have guessed it already, is a vital part of the marketing process. It helps generate interest in your product or service and in turn increases the client base and revenue of the business. Lead generation involves attracting leads for your service, and a lead refers to a person who indicates any type of interest in your product or service in any way. People like to hear from a business after opening communication, that is, when they willingly give out their contact information instead of the cold calls with purchased information. This is where the lead generators come in. Lead generators help business owners acquire contact information of their potential customers. Some of the examples of lead generators involve job applications, live events, online content, and blog posts. How to find the best? Lead generation does sound simple, but in reality requires a lot of homework. If you are starting with lead generation for your company, you will have to focus on getting the answer to questions like who might be interested in your product or service? What would be the expectations of my potential customers? What would be the best way to reach them? How do I measure the success of the strategy? Do not be afraid to try different strategies. Your goal is to make the customer hit that buy button instead of skimming through your website. A perfect lead generation strategy that works for all is not an option, and you will have to try as many as possible. Be curious and experiment ways, supported by the knowledge gained from analyzing your potential customers' needs and interests. For example, social media is a great place to start. Creating an account and consistently posting content about your product or service could intrigue people and generate leads. Other than this, you can also utilize content marketing methods like emails, newsletters, and SEO, which would drive more traffic to your website. Offering a free consultation in relation to your service is one of the best ways to generate leads and learn about customer needs. These are only some options among many lead generation tactics that you can try. So, how to keep track of your progress? While trying out these strategies, it is easy to stray away from the goal and get lost in the process. To avoid this and attracting wrong leads, you will need to review the lead generation channels and your conversion rate from these campaigns. Some of the major things to note are time spent to generate the lead and the cost associated with it, revenue associated with the campaign, and the conversion rate, like how many leads you actually converted into clients. After you get the data, you will be able to take out the ones that are too expensive or unresponsive. When you want to dive in further, use analytical tools to find data which shows the way the users interact with your website, the buttons they click more, and the reception to your content. So, what are the benefits of lead generation? Lead generation means more traffic and thus more customers and more sales. People might go through a product or service, possibly even like it, but it is easy to forget about it in this fast paced world. Lead generation is that subtle push or a reminder that converts them into a paying customer. Lead generation also helps you narrow down a target market, which is of paramount importance for small business owners. Instead of cold calls, which are annoying to the customer and dreadful to the owner, lead generation helps you to make yourself be seen to your potential clients who are actually interested in your service or product. Lead generation strategy should focus more on your potential customer needs rather than selling your product. Remember that. While the latter is the ultimate goal, do not impose this much on your possible leads. More subtler, the better. Here are some tips which might help you with successful lead generation. Let your client base learn more about your product or service. Contents through blogs and social media posts with optimized SEO are some of the best strategies. Instead of presuming the data for marketing strategies, collect audience insights. Create materials that reach your target audience in a timely manner. Add a call to action button for promotional materials, and since this induces faster lead generation. Also, make sure that all blogs, emails, and media posts lead to the same landing page. Local Biz Network has been helping small businesses overcome technological barriers and become more visible in the competitive environment. Do you want your business to generate more leads? Just write to us at info@localbiznetwork.com. Thanks for listening and have a lovely day.